Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna do the 60 seconds series about the Ping Gear upgrade. Okay, so let's start today's video, let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so first when we take the Ping Gear out, and if you put on the shaft, and you can see some of the Ping Gear will wiggle like this. Of course, some will be wiggle like this, some is just a little bit. So that's why today we make the 60 seconds video series about how to upgrade your Ping Gear. Okay, so you guys can see this one in the video. We're using this to press the Ping Gear in the center and try to make this tighter. So now we're gonna put that back on the shaft and see how is that still wiggle like before. So now you can see it doesn't really wiggle like that much before, okay, like after we pressed it. But of course you can see this one at the center, this is the used one. Okay, so now you can see it does the job, it makes a little bit different. But how about the brand new gears? So here I have a brand new gears right over here. So we can see if we put out on the shaft, okay, you can see there is still a wiggle a little bit. Okay, and now this is the one I'm using that to press the gear already. So let's see what's the difference. So you can see now it just wiggle a little bit, it's not that much. So which means it does help for you to using the Ping Gear and to make sure that Ping Gear it doesn't, you know, is that not that loose and it doesn't make that much wiggles. Okay, so this is today's 60 second series Ping Gear upgrade. So I will see you next video.